Hello friends, this is Abhishek Bedre coming with the fourth tutorial of PHP. Today we're gonna use a looping statement in which we will include the simple for loop, do loop and while loop. Okay, all these three loops we will include in this tutorials. If you want to see how we can use the branching statements as well as the switch case statements, you can watch my earlier videos. Yeah, let's start. Okay, first of all I would like to use a for loop. What is for loop? Whenever we want to execute a particular block of statements a particular number of times, that time we have to use simple looping statements. For here I'm using a first, that is for loop, $i equals to 0, I is less than 10, and $i plus plus. Oops, this is the wrong. You have to specify a proper statements. After that, echo the value of I, concat and $i. Okay, now check. Unexpected error, t string expecting. Okay, line number 2, there should be a semicolon. Okay, the value of I is 0, the value of I is 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will break from here. I'm using a simple BR statement. Okay, I hope you have seen the 0 to 9 values. Okay, see the loops. That means the I is less than 10. That means the 0 to 9 values will be print. Now our second loop, that is the do loop. I'm printing over here the break statement. Okay, and after that I'm declaring another variable. I'm assigning a value to I 0, and after that using a while statement. While $i is less than 10, we will print the same statement over here, but we haven't incremented the I, that's why I am incrementing it with plus plus. Okay, now let's print. See, there is also 0 to 9 statements. Now, and the last one is again I'm assigning a 0 to I. After that do statement, the same thing we will print over here. Okay, and after that last we have to provide a condition. That is same way, $i is less than 10, and then semicolon. Now let's check. Oops, we haven't break this statement. Okay, this is the for loop, this is the while loop, and this is the do loop. Okay, the difference between a while and do while, that is if this condition becomes false for first time, that means suppose I am giving this condition greater than I value is 0, that means condition become false, that means there is no printing of a second while loop. But the same conditions if I assigns over here, that means greater than 0, that means at least one time it will execute. Okay, this is a simple difference between do and while loop. I hope you guys have understand whatever I explained over here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my videos. Bye bye.